We are in Red Week over on the Creative Magic Circle. We are focusing on our root chakra, and I just wanted to come on and encourage you to bathe yourself in that red color energy and that earth grounding energy. I've been wearing red the last few days, and I've been eating strawberries, eating cherries, calling in some of that luscious red into my diet. You can wear really grounding essential oils like cedarwood or vetiver. And the other thing I wanted to share with you is the earth mudra. So that would take your thumb and your ring finger and then put those together, put your other fingers straight out, and you can either hold this position on your lap with both hands while you're meditating, while you're deep breathing for about 5 minutes or so, and you will feel that earth energy from the earth mudra. You'll feel the stability, you will feel that endurance, vitality. This root chakra is all about just being grounded, being secure. You can't be secure without your roots really falling into the earth and really grabbing on. And an affirmation you can say is, I am supported. I am grounded, and the universe supports me. I am safe and secure in this moment. The first time I ever did this color energy series, I realized just how unbalanced my root chakra was, and how, that kind of played into all of my thoughts and worries around security. And that by focusing on this color energy and bringing more of it into my life and being more aware of when I need to ground myself and feeling safe, reminding myself that I am safe and secure in this moment, makes a huge difference. Everything is based off that, right? So that's where you really really work to set your roots, and it'll allow you to grow tall and strong and spread your branches and your leaves. So join me in celebrating the color red and focusing on your root chakra this week. I hope that you've enjoyed the PDF file, and I hope you take a look at the art journal spread. I'm going to be jumping on for an open studio on Friday, and I want to create along with you in our art journal sketchbooks.